Assalamualaikum student of grade 4. I'm your maths teacher. How are you? I hope you are all fine and healthy. Today I explain you chapter number 1, notation and numeration. There are 3 topics in this chapter: place value, Pakistani and international way. Number 2, expanded and standard form. And topic number 3 is comparing numbers. First of all, we know about notation and numeration. Notation means writing numbers in figures. Like this: 324, 4629. जब हम फिगर्स में लिखते हैं यानी नंबर्स में लिखते हैं तो उसे नोटेशन कहते हैं. And numeration means writing numbers in word. For example, 25, 601. यानी नंबर्स को वर्ड में लिखने को या स्पेलिंग में लिखने को न्यूमरेशन कहते हैं. Now first topic is place value. The place value of Pakistani way. First of all, we know about the place value. What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number. Numbers जिस positions पे होते हैं उन्हें place value कहते हैं. Children, you already know about the place value of Pakistani way. Pakistani place value is unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. In unit house there are 3 digits: unit, 10, 100. Thousand house has 2 digits: 1000 and 10,000. And lakh house has 2 digits: lakh and 10 lakh. The first example is, we write the number 576398 in the Pakistani place value. 8 in unit place, 9 in 10 place, 3 is in 100, and 1000, 6, 7, 10,000, and 5 is lakh. Now we put the comma from different houses. Unit, 10, 100 के बाद हम एक कॉमा लगाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा यूनिट हाउस कंप्लीट है. 1000 और 10,000 के बाद कॉमा लगाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा लैख और 1000 का हाउस कंप्लीट है. पाकिस्तानी प्लेस वैल्यू में यूनिट, 10, 100 3 डिजिट्स और उसके बाद 2 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा आता है. नाउ सेकेंड वैल्यू इज 9 यूनिट, 0, 10, 200, 5,000, 0, 10,000, 4 lakh. With the help of place value, you read the numbers easily. First example is 5,76,398. Second is 4,05,209. Now with the help of place value chart, we are able to read the numbers. That is 5,00,000, 10,000, 6,398. We use comma to separate the lakh, 1,000 and 100,000. The comma indicates that the number to the left is in a different house, or in mathematical house this house is called a periods. Now move to international place value chart. International place value chart, place value is, unit house has 3 digits: unit, 10, 100. Now put the comma. 1000 house has 3 digits: 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And million house has 3 digits: million, 10 million, 100 million. इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू में 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा आता है. नाउ फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 7 unit, 2 10, 400, 1000, 6 10,000, 900,000, and 2 is million. Now read this figure. 2,961,427. Now figure number 2. 0 unit, 1 10, 500, 0 1000, 2 10,000, and 700,000. Now this figure is 720,000. 720,510. This is our international place value. अगर आप पाकिस्तानी प्लेस वैल्यू और इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू को याद कर लेंगे तो आप इजीली अपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकेंगे. पाकिस्तानी वैल्यू यूनिट, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. इस तरह इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू यूनिट, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 तक की वैल्यू सेम होती हैं. बट लैख पाकिस्तानी एंड इंटरनेशनल 100,000. लैख 100,000 के बराबर होता है एंड 10 lakh इज मिलियन. 10 lakh 1 मिलियन के इक्वल होता है. तो ये पाकिस्तानी इंटरनेशनल वैल्यू लर्न करके आप क्वेश्चन जो इजीली सॉल्व कर सकेंगे. नाउ मूव टू योर एक्सरसाइज 1.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. Write these numbers in figures, placing in comma correctly in the Pakistani way. पाकिस्तानी वे में हमें इन नंबर्स को फिगर में लिखना है, मीन्स नंबर में लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज 5 lakh. You put the place value first, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. But we write only lakh because there is only 5 lakh, single number 5 lakh. 5 lakh, comma 92,000, 1000 and 10,000. 92,000, then comma and 39. There is no 100, so we write 0 on 100 place. 39, 30, 10 and 9 units. Now move to question number 10. 7 lakh and 12. So you put the place value 7 on 7 lakh, comma and 12. There is no 10,000, 1,000, 100. Only 12. 1, 10 and 2 units is 12. Now we put the 0, 100, 1,000, 0 and 10,000, 0. This is 7 lakh and 12. Now move to question number C, which is write these numbers in figures, placing the comma correctly according to the international period. Question number 1. 325,742. 1. Now you put the place value unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. In this question there are only 325,000. So we write 325,000. Now put the comma, 100 and 1000. There are 3 numbers in 100 thousands house. 325,742. 742. Now move to question number 7. 200,000. 800. 200,000. 100,000. Not for only 100. 100,000. 200,000. 200,000, 800, and only 800, 800. Now question number 8, 430,000, 430,000. Now place value 430,000. Now put the comma. 430,000. Now 100 0, 10 0, and unit 0. Now question 430,000 is completed. Question number 9, 900,000 and 9. 900,000. You put the 9 is 900,000. 900,000 and 9. 900,000. 900, comma, and 9. 9 is only unit number, so we write 9 on unit place, and there is 0 and 100 is 0. Now move to question number D. Exercise 1.1, page number 4. Question number D is write the place value of colored digits. फर्स्ट इन द पाकिस्तानी वे, सेकंड इन द इंटरनेशनल वे. यानी जिस डिजिट्स को सर्कल किया गया है या कलर से लिखा गया है उसकी वैल्यू को आप पाकिस्तानी और इंटरनेशनल वैल्यू दोनों में लिखेंगे. प्लेस वैल्यू हमें याद है, हम इजीली कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, नंबर इज 849630. द कलर डिजिट इज 3. इन पाकिस्तानी वे एंड इंटरनेशनल वे बोथ the value of 3 is 10. So we write 3 tens or 30 Pakistani value, P for Pakistan, and 3 tens or 30 is international value. Question number 3, the color digit is 6. The value of 6 is unit, 10, 100 and 1000 in Pakistani, and unit 10, 100, 1000 in international. In both the place value is same. So 6,000 or 6000 Pakistani, 6,000 or 6000 in international form. Now move to question number 9. Number is 761972. We put the place value. Pakistani way, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh. International unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Pakistani value 7 lakh or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 7 lakh has 5 0. And 700,000 or 700 and 1000 3 0 and 700 2 0. So 5 0 equals 0 Pakistani and international, but the difference in commas. Now children, our question number B, C, D has been completed. Now you do the work, copy work, exercise 1.1, page number 4, exercise B, question number 1 to 10, question number C 1 to 10, and question number D 1 to 10 in your maths copy. Before starting your work, leave 3 pages of your maths copy. Now on 4th page, you prepare title page like this, chapter 1, notation and numeration, and then start your work. Now student, thank you. Allah Hafiz.